5 ways you can make money with debt. Debt is a word that scares many people as soon as they hear it. Generally, people do not want to take debt, and if they fall into debt, they do their best to pay it off quickly. Typically, people think that taking debt is bad for everyone. They also think debt can be a significant obstacle to your financial development, and people generally see debt negatively. But if you can handle and know some secrets and tricks, you can make money with debt. Invest as collateral money. If you invest the money as collateral, which is known as margin in financial language, you will allow buying a higher dollar amount of stock than you have money for. For example, if you had 10,000 in your traditional brokerage account, you could leverage your investment and open a new margin account. Create wealth using good debt. Once you have minimized the lousy debt, it's time to create some good debt. Good debt helps you to provide you invest wisely. And it also helps to increase the value of your assets and create wealth, as the income and capital growth from the investment pay off the debt and exceed the cost of that debt. Utilize property with debt. You can use personal property or shares as a promising strategy here. You can create the extra funds by taking a loan against the equity in your home, taking out a margin loan, or investing in a managed share fund. Continue recycling your debt. Debt recycling, when, like you pay off your house loan, you redraw the equity you have built up to invest in shares or other property, and the lousy debt transforms into a good debt that can earn you an income and be used to pay back the loan and provide tax breaks. Any additional income can also be fed into your house loan to pay off quickly and make further interest savings. Do short selling. Short selling is a famous system of betting against particular security by borrowing shares from investors and selling them, hoping the shares decline. Timely declines in stock prices are essential to become profitable in the way of short selling. You better avoid short selling if you do not have the proper knowledge.